I'm delighted to welcome you all here to this launch.
We're going to have a mixture of technology and research talks, and just a whole balance of how we're bringing advanced technology to support the research that's going on campus.
Today is interdisciplinary, it's international, it knows no boundaries.
What we do in HPC should be accessible to everybody. We really are here to change the world.
It's interesting how many people I think will benefit from using the cloud. To the university and to the whole research community in the country, I think that this is emerging as a real need to make software and make it well for researchers.
OCF have been working with the University of Birmingham Research Computing Team since 2012. They've really driven the engagement with the researchers within the university department.
Emerging technologies are very disruptive right now. How do I configure my storage? How much memory? What is the best thing to use? And the answer is, we don't know either.
Where cloud and where systems like Bear Cloud sit actually right in the middle of all of this is really key enabling technology.
Data share is very important for researchers and people at the university because the world is getting smaller and smaller, so exchanging files, exchanging data and collaborating on research data is getting more and more important.
The center of all what we do is the Bear Cloud, is IT. We rely on computer heavily.
It's really exciting that with off-the-shelf components, like the Linux revolution, so off-the-shelf components, you can hook them together with the right interconnect, and then you can build a very powerful machine.
As a researcher here at the university, we have a large amounts of data from various different sources. So the Bear Cloud allows us to analyse this data and integrate it together to produce results in terms of looking at things like cancer research and also genomic studies.
This allows us to take standardized forms of applications and run them anywhere.
They don't want to worry about what are the tools and how do I make my tools efficient for me. They'd like to see the university provide the base level of tools so they can focus on the research that they need to do and not on the computing and technology that maybe aids that research.
It's research driven, so a lot of the new technologies, the new features, the directions is all led by the research team.
And usable by all manner of different researchers. The opportunities that will give us in terms of understanding biology, practicing medicine.
It is not only benefiting the scientists that are using the cloud, but it is also enabling us to take this work and deploy it across different universities and scientific institutions around the world.
I said right at the start of the day, this is not a turnkey solution we've delivered here in Birmingham, and an important part of that is the relationship we have with Mellanox and our other partners, DDN, IBM, Lenovo. I think that's key to us.
I think the way forward for computing as a whole is actually for a very diverse set of resources.
My key takeaway from today is that we will have great projects ahead of us, working with our researchers so we can actually help them with getting cited and tracking reuse of their research outputs. That will be exciting and challenging.